kung may sauce yan, minsan, ang malasa yung sauce. The chicken itself, wala masyadong lasa. Pero kung may lasa yung chicken, as opposed to the sauce pa itself, mas masarap yung lasa ng dish ninyo. You guys understand? Okay. Anyway, what I'm doing now is like searing. You wanna make sure that whenever you sear something, you wanna make sure that it has, your pan starts to smoke. Para ibig sabihin, maganda yung searing na nagagawa. Okay, another thing you guys want to remember. When you're searing something, you want to make sure you sear the presentation side first. Presentation side. So, kung kunyari you're searing chicken breast, unahin nyo yung may balat muna. Why? Here's the explanation to that. The reason for that is because when you sear, the first moment you put it there, the temperature is at the right searing temperature. So it produces a nice crust. Now, as you add everything, bumababa yung temperature ng pan. That means you're not getting the good color, hindi na maganda yung pagkasil ng other parts. That's why unahin mo na yung presentation para at least sigurado kang when you present it, maganda na kagad siya. Kasi kung isisir mo yung likod, tapos saan mo ilalagay yung sarap, minsan maging pale or kulang dahil ang dami na nakalagay, malamig na yung pan ko.
I see.
You guys understand?
Yes.
O kaya when you're searing fish fillet, you wanna start off searing the skin first. Hindi yung other side. So, you get that good presentation going on right away. Okay? Malinaw?
Yes.
That's one thing you guys want to okay, another thing. When you pour your oil, you might think this is really simple, or am I just being anal about it? But sorry. When you're pouring oil and you want to make sure you coat everything, you do not pour oil in the middle. You pour the oil on the side. Outward, inward. It helps a lot, especially in judging how much oil you put.
Not outside.
Outside na yan. Okay, anyway.
I don't like
This one's good enough. I put salt in this already. Can I have a plate? Kasi kailangan natin yung transfer. Very good. Can you add more stock to that? Okay, nakikita niyo yung usok? That's a good seal. You wanna hear how good your if you wanna know how it should sound? Kasi ako lahat kasali yan when I cook eh. How it sounds, how it looks like. That you'll realize how well your food is going. Kung tama yung hindi mo dun sa pagkain. So anyway, this is how it should sound. That means you're searing well. Now, you don't want to add anything right away. You want the pan to medyo adjust to the temperature and then that's the time you add. Hindi yung tapon ka ng tapon kasi bababa ka agad yung temperature eh. Now that's a bit ready, you can add your other one. See, hindi nagbabago. Hindi ka tulad kanina, pag add mo, after mga 2 minutes, iba na kaagad yung tunog niya. And what you try to notice, if you set your pan right, ibig sabihin, mainit siya before you add your oil, and then everything, you'll try to notice, hindi dumidikit yung niluluto ninyo. Kahit di sa teflon. Kasi maganda yung temperature. Ibig sabihin, hindi umiipit yung karne dun sa pan. That's why you have to season your pans well. We'll go to that next time. So, hindi siya masyadong dumidikit. Sounds fine. Basa pa eh.
Mana mo ka natin sa pagbago. Amo yung beses sa kaya. Wala ka na nagirang tao. Ano yung tao?
Look at how nice that is, oh. Diba? Even siya.
Hindi na. Back down yung temperature.
Para mas building yung mga juices.
Ano?
Mas yung juice ng meat.
Oh, you can see, you're searing the juices as well. Actually, it adds another flavor. Kasi pag, mapapansin nyo, yung the ingredients, it always turns dark. That means, you're cooking that it's caramelizing. Yung sugar content ng bawat ingredient nyo, you're turning it into a different taste, which actually produces a nuttier taste to food. Pero it doesn't apply to everything kasi some recipes, they don't call for that. Kumbaga, yung ibang recipes, mas magandang natural state lang yung pagkain. For example, chef will always try to tell you na it's better if you sear this first, ganyan. But it doesn't really matter. Ang pinagkaiba lang, when you're in culinary school, you have to follow things step by step. Tapos when you go out and you start cooking on your own, that's the only time you'll choose which one to use. Kasi, like what I say, cooking is an art. It's something that you have to understand for you to be able to do it. Ibig sabihin, kung naiintindihan nyo lahat ng proseso, by the time na kayo na yung gagawa, you can choose whichever way you want to do it. Hindi dahil sinabi kong, oh, dapat ito yung nauna, oy, dapat ito yung nauna. Hindi ibig sabihin nun, yun lang talaga yung natural order. Pero, if you're doing it in culinary school, you wanna follow that order to make sure you come out with the right product. Kumbaga standard siya, ganon. Pero when you go outside, kailangan mong ibahin sa ng konti.
Sana manipulot din. Kamatis na lang, saka bagong.
Oo, okay. Yeah. Iyon lang naman eh. Ito na ba? Okay.
Just, pwede nyo idagdag ito sa, ano, sa white stock. Pwede nyo idagdag ito, para lang
Yeah,
lang.
go.
Tapos add na lang namin ng water.
Can you add more liquid to this? Okay, everyone. The next part. Everyone listen here. The next part, usually, what they do here is you sweat everything, diba? But since we're using gata, like, yun nga, Dali explained to me as well, fat and fat, they don't blend together well. You have to cook them slowly together. So what we'll do now is we'll add, hingi ako ng mixed plus bowl. Bowl lang.
Hindi pa kami na. Kasi di ba ano marong simmer kaya?
Okay, everyone look here. Okay, so then,
Gano'ng mayari yan? Ipag-try mo pa yung patatas. Sila ng tanan mo? Susan, gano'ng mag-graduate yan?
kayo pagkatapos, you want to saute your potatoes first. If you can put a little bit of salt on that before you...
Ay, ito.
Oh, fuck. Diba? Yeah, no, come on. This pan's clean.